In this video, I want to show you how to password protect the entire file. Let's say there's some people that shouldn't be in this workbook at all. So you wanted to ask for a password as soon as they open up the file. So you can do this with any Excel workbook. I'll pick on File. I'll pick on Save As. Now under Save As, you're going to come over here and pick on Tools. With Tools, you pick on General Options. Alright, now there's two passwords you can put in. If they don't know the first password, they won't be able to get into the file at all. If they know the first password but not the second password, then they can still get in, but as read only. So I'll type in a password for the first one, and I'll type in the password for the second one. And I'll click on OK. It wants you to verify those again, so I'll type in the first password. Notice how it does say it's case sensitive, so you type in the exact same thing. And I'll click on OK. And then I'll type in the second password. Again, it's case sensitive, and I'll click on OK. Now you still want to make sure you save your document. So I'll pick on Save. Now it says that you want to replace that file. You're just going to replace it with itself, so that'll be fine. I'll click on Yes. Now I'm going to close that window, and I'll try to reopen it. So I'll pick on File, and then Recent, and I'll pick on Chart Example. Notice as soon as you open up that file, it's going to ask you for the first password. If you don't know the first password, you can't get in at all. So that blocked out some people. I'm going to type in my first password. Now, if you know the first password and not the second password, you can still get in as read only. Let me show you what happens when I do that. By the way, if you know the second password as well, then you would have the full access to the file. But I'm going to pick on read only. Now notice how up in the title bar it does say read only. I can use the workbook, and all the formulas still work. Everything still works. You can see how things are recalculating, but I just can't save it. I'm going to click on Save, and it says this file is read only. Now I can save a copy to a different name. I just can't save it to the same name. So I'm going to pick on Cancel that. So what we did was we picked on File, Save As, we picked on Tools, and then we said General Options, and so there's a password to open and a password to modify. And that's how you can password protect your Excel workbooks.